This is Jack. And this is Jack's apartment. He's trying to figure out what to do with it, live in it, rent it out, or even sell it. The problem is, Jack's place is outdated, with these old worn-out cabinets and countertop. Jack wants to update them, but can't afford the look and quality he wants. At the same time, cheap cabinets will look too simple and not stylish at all. Plus, who wants to clean up after a kitchen remodel? If he decides to paint the existing cabinets, they will start looking bad pretty soon because of scratches, stains, and natural wear on the paint. But wait a minute, Jack. Have you heard about Nelcos? It is a new approach to cabinet renovation. In the 21st century, you can wrap any surface with the architectural vinyl film from Nelcos. For the fraction of the price, you can have stylish cabinets that will be looking like new for 10 years and more because of the durability of the material. Moreover, it is a quick, quiet, and clean way of renovation with no mess or waste. More than 500 patterns that look and feel like wood, fabric, metal, stone, and paint to make your dream kitchen a reality.